Hello friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily go ahead and copy your designs in Canva. This is super easy. And the way how to copy your designs, you can do this both ways. If you have like a single design, you can click on it. And here you will have the option to duplicate page. You click on duplicate page. And so you have different designs. Now, I want to show you another way how to go about this as well. In case you want to go ahead and let's say copy your entire designs, not just a single one, but the entire ones, the entire designs, all the pages. You can easily achieve that by going to the upper left and click on resize, and you can choose custom size. Now you can choose style that you want, or you can even choose the current size as is the design. Now, if you want to use the same exact size, look to the upper left and you will see the width and the size. Just click the check box next to it, and you can go ahead and you can say copy and resize, right? Once you copy and resize, it's going to copy your entire designs. But if you want to use a new size, you can choose those different sizes right here to make a copy. In case of this video, I'm going to just choose the one right here that basically copy the same size as is. And then I'm going to do copy and resize. Once I copy and resize, it's going to go ahead and make a copy of my entire design. And as you can see right here, it says open. I'm going to click on it and it's going to open up the same designs into a new window. And that's it. It's newly copied and you can work on this as a separate copy from the previous one that you have, as you can see right here. And that's it.